If you're experiencing streaming errors on Hulu, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issues effectively. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for streaming. You can do this by running a speed test on your device. Hulu recommends a minimum speed of 3 Mbps for standard definition and 8 Mbps for high definition. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can resolve streaming errors. Turn off your device completely, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Update the Hulu app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Hulu app installed on your device. Go to your device's app store, search for Hulu, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you're using a mobile device or a streaming device, clearing the cache and data for the Hulu app can help. Go to your device settings, find the Hulu app, and select the option to clear cache and data. This can help resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Step 5. Contact Hulu support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Hulu's customer support for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps based on your issue and help you get back to streaming. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most streaming errors on Hulu. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from Hulu's support team. Happy streaming!